Maya and Ben, inseparable friends since childhood, had a shared passion for books. Every Saturday, they'd eagerly make their way to the library, a treasure trove of stories waiting to be explored. One such Saturday, as they browsed the shelves, a peculiar book caught their eye. It was titled The Adventures of Captain Curious, with a bright red cover and a captivating illustration of a pirate ship sailing across a stormy sea. Intrigued, they borrowed the book, eager to dive into the swashbuckling adventures within. The book was everything they hoped for and more. They devoured chapter after chapter, captivated by the brave Captain Curious and his crew as they faced daring challenges and hunted for hidden treasures. But disaster struck when they reached the final chapter. The book was abruptly cut off, leaving them hanging on a cliffhanger. They searched frantically through the library, hoping to find the next volume, but it was nowhere to be found. Determined to uncover the missing book's whereabouts, Maya and Ben became amateur detectives. They meticulously examined the shelves, noting missing numbers and misplaced books. They even questioned the friendly librarian, but he was just as puzzled as they were. Days turned into weeks, but the missing book remained a mystery. Just when they were about to give up hope, Maya stumbled upon a clue. A small, crumpled piece of paper tucked behind a bookshelf contained a cryptic message. Follow the whispering voices. Fueled by renewed hope, Maya and Ben combed the library, listening intently for any unusual sounds. Finally, they heard it. A faint whispering coming from the old attic above the reading room. With pounding hearts, they climbed the creaky staircase and entered the dusty attic. The whispering grew louder, leading them to a hidden compartment within a forgotten bookcase. Inside, they found the missing book, along with a collection of old treasures that belonged to the library's founder, Captain Curious himself. As they read the final chapter, they discovered the captain's secret message, a call to adventure for future generations of curious minds. Inspired by the message, Maya and Ben vowed to protect the library's treasures and keep Captain Curious's spirit of adventure alive. Their adventure reminds us that libraries are not just places with books. They are gateways to endless possibilities, filled with knowledge, wonder, and a touch of mystery. So, next time you visit a library, remember, a thrilling adventure might just be waiting for you.